So asexual reproduction, it requires one organism and it makes identical babies to the parent, because since there's only one, obviously there's not going to be any genetic diversity. It's just going to make the same exact thing, like that. Anything, or not anything, but some stuff that does asexual reproduction is like bacteria and like spider plants, which are like those like plants that have like legs and stuff, and they can go through binary fission and budding, which budding is like it grows a person, or it grows another thing off of it and then it pops off. And then something that goes through budding is like a hydra, and it, once again, it grows an identical baby and then it falls off and grows into another person, and then it just keeps going. Sexual reproduction requires two organisms, the mom and the dad, and it requires sperm and eggs, and it makes genetic variation, and fungi, protists, animals, and humans all do sexual reproduction. It requires the sperm and the egg, which combine to make the zygote, and the sperm is the boy and the egg is the girl. And then sperm and eggs only have 23 chromosomes, and body cells have 46, and so when the sperm and the egg combine, if they each have 23, they combine to make a body cell of 46. Then the zygote keeps multiplying and multiplying and multiplying until a baby is developed, and then the mother gives birth to it. The benefits of sexual reproduction is there is genetic variation, which makes the population in the family all not look exactly the same, so it gives more uniqueness to everybody. And the children are different from the parents, since the child gets genes from both parents instead of just from one. The disadvantages of sexual reproduction is it takes a longer time than asexual reproduction, since it does require two people, and it takes time and energy to find the mate and reproduce, and the baby develops in a long time. And then the benefits of asexual reproduction is it doesn't require fertilization, so it doesn't require like a sperm and an egg to combine. It requires one thing, and it takes less time. It happens very swiftly. And okay, so disadvantages of asexual reproduction is that the offspring is exactly identical, genetically identical to the parent, and there's no genetic variation, which leads to an identical species and population and family.